Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we had discussed till question number 5 of exercise 8th B. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 6. Question number 6 is, show that 6, 36 and 216 are in continued proportion. Three terms are given here and we know that if A, B and C are in continued proportion, then we can write them as A ratio B will be proportion to B ratio C. In this case, product of means should be equal to the product of extremes. So first of all, we will find the product of means. Product of means will be B into B, right? It means product of middle terms. What are middle terms here? 36 into 36. When you will multiply them, you will get 1296. Clear? Now find the product of extremes. Product of extremes is equals to product of outer terms. It means A into C. So A is 6 multiply C is 116. When you will multiply them, you will get 1296. So here product of means is equals to the product of extremes. So the product of means is equals to the product of extremes. So we can say that the given numbers 6, 36 and 216 are in proportion. Right? So this is your answer. Next, question number 7 is, if 25 persons can dig a trench 36 meter long in one day, right? 25 persons can dig 36 meter long trench in one day. Find the number of persons required to dig a trench of 108 meter long. So मान लेते हैं we need X person, right? So how we will write it? Let's see. Let X person are required to dig a trench of 108 meter long. Now the ratio of the persons should be equal to the ratio of the length of the trench, right? So the ratio of the persons should be equal to the ratio of the length of the trench. Right? So ratio of the persons will be, previously it was 25 person were there, and for 108 meter long trench we have assumed X, right? This should be equals to ratio of the length. Previously length was 36 meter and then For another trench it was 108 meter. Now solve it. 25 ratio x can be written as 25 upon x is equals to 36 meter ratio 108 meter can be written as 36 meter upon 108 meters. Meter to meter is cancel out. Now we left with 25 upon x is equals to 36 upon 108. You want to find the value of this x. So first of all cross multiply. 25 multiply 108 is equals to 36 multiply x. Leave this x alone and move this to the another side. X will be equals to 25 multiply 108 upon 36. This 36 and 108 both are divisible by 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. Now again 6 3s are 18. So x is equals to 25 multiply 3. It means 25 3s are 75. So 75 people are required to dig the trench of 108 meter long in one day. This is your answer. Next question number 8 is the label on a flavored milk bottle state that there is 1.5 gram of fat in 200 milliliter. मतलब जो फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क है उसके 200 milliliter बॉटल में कितना फैट है 1.5 ग्राम. If you drink 500 milliliter of that milk, now the milk is 500 milliliter. How much fat would you be getting? So मान लेते हैं कितना फैट मिल रहा है x, right? Let in 500 milliliter milk the fat be x. Now the ratio of the milk should be equals to the ratio of the fat in it, right? So right here ratio of milk should be equals to the ratio of fat in it, right? Now the ratio of the milk will be, previously the milk was 200 milliliter and later it was 500 milliliter. Ratio of the fat for 200 milliliter the fat was 1.5 gram and for 500 milliliter we have assumed it x. Now simply solve it. This can be written as 200 milliliter upon 500 milliliter equals to 1.5 gram upon x. Milliliter to milliliter cancel out. This zeros to zeros are also cancel out because 100 2s are 200, 100 5s are 500, right? So this is 2 upon 5 now. So right here 2 upon 5 is equals to 1.5 gram upon x, right? Cross multiply them. Now this is 2 multiply x is equals to 1.5 gram multiply 5. So x will be, you want to find the value of x, so move this 2 to the another side. After moving to the another side, this will be in division. So we will write it as 1.5 gram multiply 5 upon 2. So 15 5s are 75. One decimal place was there, so put decimal here and denominator is 2 and this is in gram. Now divide it. 7.5 को divide करना है by 2. So 2 3s are 6, subtract 1 is remaining. Now you have this decimal, so put decimal here and then copy down the next digit. 2 sevens are 14. 1 is remaining here. Now what will you do? You already have taken one decimal point. After decimal you get this bonus 0, right? So this will be 2 5s are 10 now. What you are getting? You are getting 3.75 gram. So you will get 3.75 gram fat in 500 milliliter milk. This is your answer. Next question, question number 9 is Rajat can type 3200 words in 1 hour, right? 1 hour. How many words can he type in 15 minutes? So first of all, let's assume that he can type X words in 15 minutes, right? Let the Rajat can type X words in 15 minutes, right? Now the ratio of the typed word, okay? The ratio of the words which the Rajat have typed, which is equals to 3200. Previously the words he has typed is 3200 and later we have assumed X. So the ratio of the typed words will be 3200 will be equals to the ratio of the time. Ratio of the time is 1 hour to the 15 minutes. Clear? Now simply solve it. 3200 upon X is equals to 1 hour upon 15 minutes. Now this is in minutes and we know that while finding ratio the units should be same. So 1 hour can be written as 16 minutes. So this will be equals to 3200 upon X is equals to, in place of 1 hour write 60 minutes. 60 minutes upon 15 minutes. Right? Minutes to minutes cancel out. Now cross multiply. It becomes 3200 or you can say 3200 multiply 15 is equals to 60 multiply X. You want to find the value of this X, so move this to the another side. This is 3200 multiply 15 upon 60 is equals to X. 0 to 0 cancel out. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now this 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 0. So this is 160 multiply 5 is equals to X. 160 multiply 5 is 800 is equals to X, or you can also write it as X is equals to 800. Right? So this is the value of X. It means Rajat types 800 words in 15 minutes. This is your answer. So students, with this question we have completed exercise 8B. Practice as much as possible. In next class we will start next exercise. Thank you. Have a good day.